Welcome everybody. Just wanted to talk to you real quick and let you guys know that I just started this YouTube channel. I'm fairly new to it. I'm doing the best I can. I'm uploading when I can, and I'm doing all my edits on my own, and so far it seems pretty good. Don't mind that tarp back there. There's nothing crazy in there. It's just part of my leaf cleanup for my lawn care business. Today I just wanted to show you guys my firewood stand, and it is doing insane. Back when I had 2 stands and I just put up my third stand, I was doing about $150, and now I'm doing over $200 per week. So I do not want you guys to pass up this opportunity or miss out on such good money. I know a lot of people are out there struggling right now, and every little bit helps. It's something you can do. There is a 90-year-old lady on my lawn care route. She bundles up her own wood, and she said she loves it because it gives her exercise and she gets to be outside a little bit more. I just want to show you what mine looks like outside my house. This stand does good. Yesterday I sold one of these $30 slots right here, and I also sold 4 bundles out of here. And I don't like to fill them all the way to the top like this. It's a little high for some people. Just 2 $5 slots and then the one $30 slot. There's a bunch on YouTube. People using skids because they're free. My wife and I just decorated yesterday. You can just put up a few skids. You can put up like one on the left side, one on the right, one in the back, and one on the top, and one on the bottom. And then it's free. I want to show you this. So I'm currently using 10-inch wrap. I get a 4-pack on Amazon for just under 60 bucks. You want hardwoods. That's what everybody, when they're buying firewood, that's what they're looking for. This is what people want. This is beautiful. You know, nice cut, nice and even size pieces. People are gonna want some good stuff. People don't want crappy wood. You know what I mean? Like, so make sure it looks good. Make sure your dogs are part of your videos. Hi, Dobers. And here is my current wrapper I use. Nothing crazy. A couple of junk 2x6s I had that I cut to about here, but you can see it's done. So just to give you guys a quick demonstration of how it works. So I take the logs like so, and I just set them in here like that. Like that. And keep in mind, I do it by hand. This only cost me like $20 for the wrap and then all this. If you buy a hand wrapper, which I'll show you some pictures on the internet, they're $700, $800. Some are $1,200 or $1,300 if you get like the foot pedal electric ones. Start like this, and I just go 5 times around. I noticed that 5 is just a good solid number. It's not an even number, but it's solid. I honestly don't know if that was 4 or 5. But one more for good measure. So there it is. And it just comes out like that, and it's done. And look how big that is. Times are tough. People don't have $50 to buy a bundle of wood, so I give people good deals, and that's just who I am. That's just what I like to do. Those of you that are wondering, well, how do I get locations? Well, start with who you know. Ask your parents, ask your friends. If there is a really cool location that you found, but you don't know the person, go knock on their door. Be like, hey, you want to sell firewood with me? My wife and I already have the idea of next year we're going to grow some corn so we can sell the corn stalks. They sell really well. For instance, we bought this one right here and then the one over there. We bought those yesterday. Those bundles were $5 a piece. It's a really cool decoration, and we've seen a couple on the side of the road people decorate with them. It's another idea. But those of you that want to get stands put up, what I recommend is put them on Facebook too when you get them, and then put your address up there. If you're not comfortable with giving somebody your address, that's fine. You don't have to. I'm just giving you ideas. It's just that I have 3 stands and I'm doing $200 a week. That's awesome. Like yesterday, I was out here wrapping up bundle after bundle after bundle. I couldn't miss this weekend. That's when I sell most of the bundles, is between Thursday and Sunday. I get the most sales. Typically on like a Friday and Saturday, I get wiped out, and I mean wiped out. I check them often. I'm not gonna lie, not to mention the other 2 that I have are at customers that I cut their lawns weekly. I'll go there on a Tuesday to cut their grass, but I'll go out there on like a Friday or a Saturday afternoon if my My wife and my son just want to go for a drive. We do that, so we just head out there. But what's really cool, I have one 15 minutes to my east and I have one 15 minutes to my west. In a 30-minute span of driving, I've covered 3 pretty busy, nice locations, and that could be helping the $200 a week. $800 a month? Come on. It's worth the 20 minutes I take every week, because that's about how long it takes me. I wrap up a couple bundles. I'll bring 5 or 6 bundles with me just in case on Tuesday when I go to mow their grass. It's worth it. It's worth the $5 in gas it takes you to drive to both those locations and load up those bundles. And then also, you could do a half a face cord, like what I have right there in the middle. I sell those for 30 bucks. There's no reason why you can't take a picture of a bundle like that and put that on Facebook. And then if people are like, well, where's the pickup? You just send them to your wood stand. So you don't have to have them at your house. I would highly recommend a firewood stand. It's a great way to make some extra cash. I have seen one that I love, and I made one. I think I have a picture of it. I'll put it in the video. It's just like a big open square box. Super simple. I used a couple of sheets of plywood. I raised it up off the ground, and I'm able to stack like 12 or 13 bundles in there, and that's all I need. I have been selling way more bundles than I have the big face cords. And 9 times out of 10 when people are buying those face cords from me and stuff like that, middle part right there. When people do buy those from me, they usually contact me on Facebook and ask me if I have firewood for sale. And I tell them, yeah. Yesterday when I sold that, I didn't even take it out of there. I just went and grabbed the stuff from that I had in the back, so I didn't have to restack that. I love it. I'm gonna keep doing it. I'll keep you guys posted. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Please like. I can't stress this enough. Please. I'm just a small channel. I only have 34 subscribers. So any like, any views, any comments, it helps me out so much. I'm gonna go into details on my lawn care setup. A lot of people are loving my lawn care setup and loving those videos. And do some product reviews on some of the equipment that I use on that. As well as I'm gonna keep upgrading my firewood stand. I might get one of the handheld wrappers. Just depends on how this is going. And then might actually start selling firewood through the winter. I might do a delivery service. I have guns. I talk about guns. I just got my CPL license. I talk about a bunch of stuff. So please help me out. Just hit the like button. It's super simple. I'm not asking a whole bunch. And then subscribe if you can. And if you love the content, leave a comment. Just say, hey man, keep it up. Or if there's something that you noticed that I did wrong or that you would think would look good, just let me know. All right, guys. Thank you so much. See you.